So this is my first time growing Roselle, and here are the calyxes. Got some right there, and so I'm hoping to double dip. So I'm taking the calyx part off right here, and I'm gonna leave the seeds, so hopefully I can keep the seeds for later and plant them. We'll see. I'll let you know with an update how it's going. But this is the Roselle, also called cranberry hibiscus or sorrel by the Jamaicans. It's gonna make some really nice tea, and these also taste really good. They taste like cranberries, so I'm gonna make some chutney with them and dry some, and we'll go from there, and it's gonna be awesome. So still grabbing some of this Roselle. Got a whole bunch of it down there. The leaves are edible. If you get enough leaves on the Roselle, you can make tea or put them in chutneys, dry them, eat them in fresh salads. You could do that. And this is cranberry hibiscus. This is the one that I really enjoy in salads. I'll get usually like 5 or 6 of these and put them in a salad, put them in a smoothie, and it tastes really good. Plus it's got that really pretty color. So right there, this is the cranberry hibiscus. This is the Kenneth hibiscus, and then this is the Roselle hibiscus. So the whole hibiscus family is a delicious family, and a lot of people really like this Roselle. I was surprised at how much people flocked to my listing for this, but it's really cool because these leaves are edible, the calyxes are edible, and it has some pretty kind of yellowish flowers on it. So a lot of people like to make drinks out of it. And for me, it was very profitable, so I hope to have a lot of these later. So we're doing my favorite thing, which is experimenting in the kitchen. So I had about the 2 cups of Roselles, and I have a whole bunch of strawberries in my freezer, so I'm trying to use stuff from the freezer. And so I've put the strawberries in there. I've got the orange juice in there because that was there too. And then I'm going to try to put some spices in there and boil it down into either probably something I can put on yogurts, maybe just eat it by itself, or put on some cake I have. And if it's good, I'll share the recipe. So this is what I'm doing with the Roselle. Well, I don't know if it tastes good yet, but with the cinnamon and the cloves and the oranges, it smells delicious. It smells exactly like wassail. So I'm very excited for this. This is what it looks like after it's cooked for 20 minutes. So if you don't like these different chunks of strawberry in it, you could take a hand emulser and blend them up, or a regular blender, and give it more of a fine texture and make it into like a drink or something. But it is really good. It tastes like wassail and rhubarb pie and all that combined. It's really good. So it was great by itself. Now I'm going to try it with some cake. Okay. That's good. It's kind of like a rhubarb cobbler. Okay, here it is with yogurt. I think it's good. I think it's good with everything.